Turnitin is now available for Google Classroom, meaning that your teacher may enable it in your Google Classroom assignments. You'll find there are lots of benefits to using Turnitin. It provides reports and feedback tools that help you better understand your writing strengths and weaknesses and improve your skills. Getting started is easy. Open your Google Classroom class and go to the Classwork section. You'll see the linked Turnitin assignment alongside the date when it is due. Your teacher may also have written some extra instructions for you. Click the link to open the Turnitin attachment. This brings you into the Turnitin assignment. You can see all the information about the assignment here. You can submit your work from the start date and time, and your teacher will expect you to submit your work before the due date and time. Your teacher will leave their feedback on your work by the feedback release date. Below this, you can see if your teacher has attached a template or a rubric for the assignment. The rubric provides useful information on the criteria your teacher will use to grade your work, so you should refer to this as you write your assignment. Below this, you can see if late submissions and resubmissions are allowed and check the file requirements for the assignment. Browse or drag and drop your work in the submission field. Preview to make sure you've selected the right file and click Submit. You'll notice that the Turn In button in the top left has now changed to Unsubmit. If you wish to submit a new version of the assignment, you will need to do this by clicking the Resubmit button within Turnitin, as long as your teacher has permitted you to make resubmissions. When you return to Google Classroom after submitting your work, you'll see that it now indicates that your work is turned in. It's important to ensure that you submit all your work within the Turnitin attachment. Any work you submit using the Add or Create button will not be processed by Turnitin. Once allowed by your teacher, you can see the similarity report and their feedback on your work. Click to open the Turnitin attachment again. You'll see the grade and the similarity report percentage. This is the percentage of your paper which matched with other sources. Similarity is not the same thing as plagiarism. You can expect some similarity, especially when it comes to direct quotes or textual support or references in your writing. You will see an overview of the most significant matches. For submissions written in English, there are 4 match groups. Each one details a different type of detected similarity. The first is for text that matches another source and is neither cited nor quoted. The second is missing quotations. The third is missing citations. And finally, the last shows matches that have been quoted and cited. This is designed to help you identify issues faster. You can check here to see where the matches come from. Click here to view your teacher's feedback. You'll be able to see summary comments as well as pinned feedback, which is important feedback the teacher wants to highlight. Be aware that your teacher could also have access to AI writing detection and may provide you with feedback on this as well. For more information about completing assignments in Turnitin, view the links in the video description or ask your teacher for advice.